First thing is the quote, and Dr. H.C. Allen tells in one of his books that the patient does not have to wait until the homeopath, he has mentioned himself, until the homeopath demonstrates the truth or falsity of some favorite theory, which, whether right or wrong, could never change the characteristics of his case as far as the selection of the remedy is concerned. So, this he has written in 1850s or somewhere around 1900, whenever the book was published. After that, we have had a sea of change in the prescription for fevers. Right now, the current rage is of the mind method. There was a rage of sensation method 10, 15, 20 years back. There is still a section of homeopaths that follow predictive method, which is good in their own way of prescription. But the characteristics of the case would not change. That is what I would like to, convey over here. And when I used to understand fevers,